tell me, Nalini, that what happens when it comes to the extradition request? Now, today, could we hear the court setting a date for the hearing on the extradition request? Also, Nalini, is that a possibility?
Well, Deepthi, I believe that is a possibility either way today, irrespective of whether or not Nirav Modi actually manages to get bail. That is something that is going to happen because the extradition process, we can in fact say, is officially underway now with Nirav Modi's arrest, because that is exactly what this entire case is going to revolve around, whether or not Nirav Modi should in fact be extradited. So we can officially say that yes, extradition process is underway, and for Nirav Modi, it will now only remain to prove exactly why he should not be extradited. So, going back to your question as to whether or not we can expect for the agencies to come forth and bring this kind of evidence on record is something that remains to be seen. But of course, for Nirav Modi, it's not good news right now. What the Enforcement Directorate today states before the Westminster Court is essentially going to be exactly why the extradition process against Nirav Modi needs to happen on a fast-track basis.
All right, Nalini, the news that we are breaking for our viewers right now, let me get in Aishwarya Kapoor, our political editor, for more on this. Aishwarya, just take us through what exactly the permission that the ED has got when it comes to seizing the assets and selling of the assets of Nirav Modi.
Well, absolutely. The government of India is on a full throttle to not only get back this man, but also to seize his complete properties. And now they've got the permission to sell the 173 high-priced, very exclusive paintings and 11 uber luxurious vehicles of his, which will get, we are being told, more than 16 to 17 crore rupees for the vehicles and around 180 crore rupees for the paintings. So you can understand the amount we are talking about, 173 very exclusive paintings and 11 uber luxurious cars. The permission has been given by the court. This is happening simultaneously. The government is on a full throttle, government of India, to get back Nirav Modi, and he is being as we broke yesterday, that the extradition process is on. The man has been arrested. The law of the land, that is of London, will allow him to apply for bail, and he may get bail as well. But then this shows that the government of India is on it, and his base has been cleared, that he is in London. And now also simultaneously we are being told that there is going to be a team of CBI which is not going to be leaving next week, but then this week itself. So very soon a team of CBI will leave for London and will make sure that this man, Nirav Modi, is not allowed out of the clutches of the law back then. So yes, 11 vehicles and 173 paintings, very exclusive paintings and uber luxurious vehicles to be sold by the ED. This is simultaneously happening as Nirav Modi has been arrested in London.